गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि ईशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Some people have no knowledge what is a vegan. Let me tell you, 1945, 25th of November, he started in city called Leicester. 5 people met and they started vegan society. Before that, Mahatma Gandhi's word I tell you, what Mahatma said in his own words. I will not eat any meat or any dairy products. It means death, I accept that. Means vegan, but the word vegan was not available in those days. Till 1945 till 2000. He picked up very well in 2000 and he flied for last 10 years with various vegetarian restaurants, various vegan products. At the moment there are more than 1,000 vegan restaurants in the United States. Today it has become an international institution. We have 3 branches in New York, New Jersey and Ohio. We want to open more, but because of the COVID, we could not do. January and February of this year, we open in Bombay. Second, we open in Ahmedabad. March, we wanted to end of the March, we opened in Bangalore, but unfortunately, circumstances change. Nothing moves. Our consulate, the past consulate has been with us in cooperation with the several functions we had in the last. Same cooperation will be available from you, sir. You are quite new to perhaps vegan society. Last year also, last consulate general, he was hesitating to join us. Once we are invited first time, is हम तो मच्छी खाने वाला आदमी क्या करेगा? Thereafter he became so involved. Perhaps he would have become the president of the vegan society. That much he involved. He wrote a good article, still the article of 5 pages. Sir, I request you to give us the opportunity as and when available. There are so many associations in New York and New Jersey, small, medium and large.
Since that we are doing so many activity. Gandhian society is totally dedicated to Gandhian activity. We do here and also in India. Our goal is totally lower community like Adivasi people, labor people, backward people. We do all the activity for them. Here, the last year we have started Gandhi exhibition in Expo, and I think more than 10,000 people visited. Mr. Consulate, Gandhi is international figure. Support our Gandhian activity. We do want so many things in the coming October. Maybe we can display, screen display for Gandhi life and biography. We are thinking so many program. I will announce you next week what we can do it. Thank you.
In expanding the original goal that was set up by Mr. H.K. Saab, but nothing but animal compassion. So veganism is something that came in my life accidentally as I was exploring more and more into the diets and how to, because the people come to me. I've been practicing internal medicine for last 35 plus years, and people come to me and say, Doc, I know what to do, but I can't do it. So I had to come up with various reasons for them to understand. And even though I was practicing veganism, but then little by little, as I kept on experimenting, I suddenly realized that veganism has really a great keys for the healthy lifestyle. It lowered the cholesterol by like 50, 30, 40, 50% without medications. Reversed the diabetes, it reduced the incidence of a heart disease, and people were feeling just positively better. And all those things were started to happening, and that took the big momentum in my practice. And as I kept on going further deep into the veganism, more and more benefits have started coming out. And the biggest benefit that I gained from all that is the animal compassion, because the difference between the animals and the humans is we can think of others.
I was telling the doctor who just spoke about the universe, God, or however you perceive it, creates natural resources. We take those resources into a body that was given to us by our parents and our soul, and we cook, we spice, we have cultures with different kinds of food, but it's a partnership that gives us a body that's healthy and unique and sustainable. India has had a very large vegetarian and vegan community for a long time. God bless them. In terms of animals and the pain caused to animals, that's an issue for PETA, the organization that is against cruelty to animals. But if we just take that philosophy of how we treat animals that are helpless towards human beings with the same attitude, we might accomplish world peace, eliminate hunger, global warming with gases, and of course, having a life for our children that is for education, for advancement, for a future. And I have to commend everybody here, and I'd like to welcome the new Consul General of the United Nations to New York, New Jersey, and I'll be happy to make any kind of acquaintance that he needs to have in the UN and the other communities. And I'd like to thank everybody here.
First of all, let me welcome the CG, Mr. Jaiswal, from AIA New Jersey. Of course, you know, you may not know this, but AIA was founded in New Jersey. And, you know, I'm one of the founders. And we've done a lot of things, from politics to different things, you know, even helping the medical association here. But let me tell you that now I am a member of the World Vegan Vision, even though I'm also, you know, the president of AIA. But it is the synergy between the Association of Indians in America and the World Vegan Vision that is the most important thing. And what I have done was, when we had this coronavirus problem, I did, you know, work with Nitin Vyasji, and the World Vegan Vision, and we did provide lots of meals to the hospitals for the frontline workers, as well as to the poor people that really go to the soup kitchens, and also you know, in any form that we can help. And I also, you know, connected with the temples, just like Nitin Bhai connected with the ISKCON. I connected with the temples who provided the food, who provided the meals for such causes.
First of all, CG, I invite. I'm sorry. I'm welcome to CG Jaiswalji, and Dr. HK. First meeting. I think this is our first meeting, and this is a good cause. The World Vegan. I'm supporter, and I'm always believe in vegetarian. In Bhagavad Gita, it says, "Manhi manusharam karanam bandhamokshayo." Whatever you eat, your man going to be same way acting. So try to be a vegan, and I'm always support to World Vegan Society. Thank you.
Ambassador Jaiswal Randir ji, a good friend Satrughna Sinha ji, HK, who is a close and great friend, and Kenny Desai, and all other friends. I'm one of the five people. 30 years ago, HK Shah got idea of this about vegetarian vision, and we started this organization 30 years ago. Myself, HK, Kenny, and I think it was that Patel, what's the name? Purnima Patel's husband, Jaydev Patel. And look at this. Now this vegetarian vision evolves into the vegetarian vision, and now it becomes international institute. Let's give a big Randirji, even in the brief time you have been here, it is clear that your heart is in the work of the service for the community and service of our motherland India. And food and climate change are among your many interests. So we are doubly thankful that you could be here to lend your support to one of the foremost think tank in this country, which is called Vegetarian Vision. Vegetarian Vision has been engaged in the spread of the message beyond the vegetarian. And as a doctor, I can vouch for that being a vegetarian, we have scientific study showing that even you can reverse the coronary artery disease, heart attack, and so many other things.
And Mrs. Amita.
Amita Singh.
Amita Singh. So I, Bobby Bansal, first of all, congratulate and thank World Vegan Vision on behalf of Oak Tree Business Association. So you must be wondering why are all we here. Sir, 30 years ago, more than 3 decades ago, when forefathers had moved in to set up a small little Indian business district, which is known as Little India today. It's a very famous Indian district that in the entire East Coast, I would say, where people travel to get their needs, चाहे वो घर का सामान हो, पूजा की सामग्री हो, गांधी जी की फाउंडेशन को एडमायर करना हो या फॉलो करना हो, पूजा करनी हो या शादी की तैयारी करनी हो या obviously jewelry लेनी हो. So we have set up all these ancestors have set up a beautiful business district, which we have joined together and named it as an Oak Tree Business Association. So on behalf of Oak Tree Business Association, I would like to welcome you to New York and thank you for making us proud and making us stronger presence.
First of all, a big thank you to World Vegan Vision and all our dear friends here who've organized this evening to welcome me. I'm truly, truly delighted and honored to be among you. Most respected Mr. H.K. Shah, all dear members of World Vegan Vision Society organization, you have done, all of you here, part of the American Indian community or Indian American communities, some from India as well, some are friends from who have a different way of life as well, but believe in larger humanity. All of you, you have prospered and done exceedingly well for yourself. What is of higher import though is that while you've made material progress, you've not left behind your spiritual advancement. The fact that you've got together, and Mr. Shah, you got together along with Dr. Parikh and others to found the World Vegan Organization Society vision, speaks a lot of your commitment to living in harmony with nature, to living in harmony with the rhythm of this world. You know, being a vegan is not just a lifestyle issue. It's a much deeper thought, it's a much deeper philosophy that all of us are located in a particular context. Human existence has a harmony around which it must respect and must live up to. You know, the story of India and the story of, you know, we have always, as a civilization, as a culture, celebrated variations of life, lifestyle, options, introspection in our daily life. During the 6th century BC, in the age of Buddha, we had several large number of heterodox sects. Each of them introspected, tried to build their own narrative, own structure. I am happy that you carried that long tradition going back 2,500 years to here in this land of America. Whenever in life, and that is what history has shown us, you have material advancement, there is an urge by human beings to also spiritually advance. For that reason, when England was the center of industrial revolution, there was a huge material progress. Side by side, there was a huge spiritual, a sense of a spiritual understanding that people looked for. And for that reason, when Mahatma Gandhi, several people here have spoken of Mahatma Gandhi. And for that reason, I must make a mention. I see his photograph in front of me. When he reached England for his education, he was very much part of the vegetarian movement that was current in the society in London. He was a vegetarian, and he also agreed and embraced the idea of veganism. So I cannot but compliment you for all that you are doing, and I am so happy that World Vegan Vision has established chapters in India, and I only hope that they will continue to grow in number, size, and more people will come forward. I must also thank you for all that you have done in support of the community during COVID times, and also to promote yoga and a better way of living, a healthy way of living. So from the consulate side, the consulate is here. I may be sitting there. The government of India has sent me there, but sent with the clear purpose that I have to welcome you all in the premises, for it is home for you, office for me maybe, but it is home for you. So I look forward to reciprocating the warmth that you have displayed today when you come to the consulate, and please give us whatever opportunity you can give so that we can serve you better, and make us all proud of our country, of our community, of our distinguished and most respected seniors who've done exceedingly well in life and is still going strong. Dr. H.K. Shah, may everybody copy what he's doing so that we can all live for 90 and more, and 90 and counting. You know, I also see a photograph of Vinoba Bhave. I have a personal connect with him. I was born in his ashram. So whenever I get to see his photograph somewhere, I get a little excited. But thank you very much, and thank you for making this evening very special for me. You know, I believe in teamwork, and India believes in teamwork. And for that reason, I have my dear colleagues here who've been all along with me shouldering a responsibility. I would like them, request both of them to say hello to to the audience and to our viewers and friends here.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all the friends. Many of you, I know you know me. Consul General is getting introduced to the World Vision community as well as the community in addition, our Indian American community. As you all know, we have been, we work closely with you. We are partners, we are friends. So that spirit will continue in the new Consul General's leadership. And we, as Consul General said, we work as a team, and we consider you also a part of our team. Thank you. Good night.
And you can also participate in that event, so we can connect with you. And there are lots of good gifts also, so you can win that.
Nina Vyas, please come over here on the stage and present the flower bouquet to our Consul General, if she's around here. Trupti Ben, please come. All right, what is the flower bouquet? Anything left? All right, okay. We have plenty in the back, so please take your own time. So as the ceremony going on, I would like to invite our dear friend. By profession, he's a doctor, and he is the one, when the people were scared about the COVID, he started the charity. I would like to request and invite Dr. Sunil Parikh. Please. And at the same time, I would like to request Mr. Kaushik Vyas, if he's around here.
I'm very happy to be speaking to TV5 and TV Mana. I've been here for a little more than a month. I have been meeting with the larger community members. I'm impressed by their achievements, by their spirituality, by their humility. I'm delighted to be here at the World Vegan Vision function. From the consulate side, I would like to assure you that we would like to go out of our way to serve the community with all our humility, with all our determination, dedication and commitment. We are there for you 24/7. Look forward to meeting all of you and look forward to serving you. Thank you very much.